What's up, YouTube? Bringing you a short video today, and that is changing out the batteries, and also I gotta put the flashlight here. Cleaning the corrosion that it has on this. It's a little bit of dirt too, so I'm gonna show you what I did. And oh my God, that light's bright. Turn it off. All right, I'm gonna show you what I did right and what I used, and we'll go from there. So, oh no, here we go. So I just mixed up some baking soda, right? Got a brush, normal water, and it's gonna be hard because I don't have anything to really hold this with, but basically just grab this, right? Hold it over and scrub away. And then we'll see how it looks afterwards. So it's gonna be a little difficult, but I'll get back to you right now. Well, hopefully you can see a difference. I definitely can. Works wonders. Still gotta try to get up in there, but let me see if I can get some more scrubbing and some more clean, but I can already tell a difference. Let me get back to it. So, yep, got better. Got cleaner up in there. Gonna dry it out to the best I can. Do the same for the other one, for the negative, right? The positive one. And then let it dry for a little bit, and then put the new battery in, which is actually in the Forerunner over there, but yep, this battery lasted me, let's see, I've had the car for 10 years. I had the original battery for about 5 years, and this one for about 4 to 5 years, so it's lasted quite a bit. Hopefully this new battery that's in there lasts just as long. And then also got to clean up in here. It's pretty dirty, so let's get to it. So it isn't perfect, but compared to what it was, oh, still got some leaves in there. Look at that, see? So get the last little bit of everything out. Connect the new battery. Again, hopefully you can see a difference from how it was originally. This one wasn't as bad as the other one. But, yep, let me connect it, start the car. It hasn't been starting over a week. And go return the old one and get a $20 refund for the battery surcharge, or I can't remember what it was called. But turn it back into AutoZone. I paid $240, and that was a military discount. Pretty expensive for a battery, but it's Duralast, last 3 years, and I like Duralast because I've had it before. And I put it in the truck, and under the 3-year warranty, I think at the year it died. I went in, no questions asked, no hassle, and you guys know how I like warranties. No questions asked, no hassle. Took it in, gave me a new one, put it in the truck, brand new. And I still have 2 years for that one, so it doesn't reset. It stays the 3-year mark, so I have 2 year, or probably at this point like a year and 7 months left. But yeah, I love the warranties, as you guys know. So let me connect it, get it started, turn it in. See you guys right now. And now I just gotta tighten this, but now I gotta, the annoying part, get this right in there. Oh God. I had this problems with the truck too. It's just a hassle to get it in there. Screw it on. Just keep in mind this is an 8 for this one, and then you need a 10 mil for that one. So let me screw this on. This might take a minute because again, this thing's kind of a pain in the butt. Oh, actually, nope, no luck. All right, I'll get back to you guys. And we are done. So if I remember correctly, my truck definitely had a little like handle. This did not. Neither did the old battery. It was kind of a hassle. Since it's heavy, it's just an awkward position to try to take that out. Put this in. Maybe to put it in, not so bad, but taking that out was kind of a hassle. That's my only complaint about this. But I swear my truck had one. Obviously, I go look. That made it a little bit easier. And just always remember, wear gloves, because you know you don't know what's on these things. But let me close it up, put this back on, and get back to you guys right now. All right, first startup in over a week after with the new battery. Woo! It is loud in here too. I don't even know if you can hear me. I didn't do an outside startup because you guys have seen that video already a couple of times, so just so you can see how loud it is in here. But it started up like that in here, and yeah, it was definitely the battery. But I'm gonna go turn it in and get my $22 back, and this should end the video, but we'll see. All right. Well, it was $22 back. It is a battery core That's what they charge you, but they gave it back to me. And yeah, I guess I could end the video how I just told you, so let's end it right. Alright, YouTube, I'll see you around. I'll bring another video later. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Have a good one.